desolate? Do you take a stand to help of it? Take all that you have and give it away. Somebody can spare that extra weight. No reason to fill up your life with things that you hate. Is anyone who they appear to be? No soul is left impervious. Take off the mask and let us see.
Okay, so I figured out the right way to go down is to start with your heel. So it feels like you're kind of sliding and gliding. It's actually really comfortable. And even though this looks really deep and this is where it came from, it doesn't feel steep as you go downhill. Look, a lizard!
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to.
He's in between two time zones, taking his weird time zone selfie. Wait, I want to be in between two time zones too. Yay!
On First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time.
This is where we came from. I think we came from the very top. That's crazy.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. Think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue.
We're at the Conrad Hotel in Vegas, and here's a little room tour. Right inside the room, there is a pretty sizable coat closet with really comfy bathrobes. And you can close it, obviously. And then over here is the giant bathroom. Oh, also behind me is a pretty big mirror as well. So just makes the space even bigger. Honestly, this bathroom is like bigger than our bedroom in New York. So I love the LED lighting here, and also they have Byredo hand wash and lotion. I think all of the shower products are also from Byredo, so really fancy. I also love the huge shower room. You even have your own little bench to rest on. And then over here, this is a separate toilet, so really handy. And if we turn around, there is our kitchen area. You've got a mini fridge, some snacks. We also brought our own wine, and the huge room with Dan over here. Say hi. We have a nice king-size bed. It just looks really spacious. I mean, compared to all of the Airbnbs and hotels we stayed at on this trip, this is definitely the best hotel room with a huge TV, some nice art, and my favorite part is this view. You can literally watch sunset from here. And this is like our building. There's a huge screen. This is part of the Hilton Resorts World, and we're at the Conrad. And then here you see a little bit of a view of the strip. We're pretty much towards the end of the strip, but I mean, honestly, because this hotel was built last year, it is just so new and feels so nice. I'd rather staying somewhere nice than, you know, at the center of the strip. And then down, you can see very nice pool area. Also, this is a very nice work area where we would be enjoying the sunlight and doing work for the next couple of days here. So, super excited.
Fell into me and I didn't know what to do, 'cause you fell into me and I fell backwards too. But now I know how it feels to fall in love with you, and now I know how it feels, and I hope that you know too. 'Cause I never felt this way about anyone else. When you fell into me, I didn't know what to say, 'cause you fell into me and you swept me away. And now I know how it feels to have a jelly to my peanut butter. And now I know how it feels to have my heart develop a stutter. But I never felt this way about anyone else.
Outfit of the day. Zara cropped short little top, my linen pants from Uniqlo, and then Vivaya sneakers. And I also have jewelry. This is vintage from Brooklyn Flea Market. And then this is from Primark. All of my rings are from Linear.